friends, today I am going to show you the next 5 levels of river crossing IQ game. So level 6. Instructions. 3 travelers need to cross a river. The first has 2 bags, the second has 1 bag and the third does not have a bag. Rules. The raft can hold either 2 travelers or 1 traveler with 1 bag. No traveler should be left alone with another traveler's bag. How can they cross the river? So, first take the green traveler with his bag and take the green traveler back. Then take the pink and the green traveler and take the pink traveler back. Then take the pink and the orange traveler and take the orange traveler back. Then take the orange traveler with his 1 bag and take the orange traveler back. Now take the orange traveler with his another bag and it is done. A family must catch a train on the other side of the river. The train is leaving in 30 minutes. They have been joined by their friend, a cop, who wants to help them cross the river. Rules. The cop can cross the river in 1 minute, father can cross in 3 minutes, mother can cross in 6 minutes, daughter can cross in 8 minutes, son can cross in 12 minutes. If 2 people are on the raft, they will cross the river in the time that it would take for the slow person to cross alone. Can you help the family catch their train? So for this level, first take the cop and the father and take the cop back. Then take the cop and the mother and take the cop back. Then take the daughter and the son and take the father back. Then take the cop and the father. And it is done. Level 8. 3 cops and 3 robbers need to cross a river. Rules. The raft can hold a maximum of 2 people and everyone can row. There can never be more robbers than cops together on the same side. How can all 6 cross the river? For this level, first take two robbers and take 1 robber back. Then take the 2 robbers and take 1 robber back. Then take 2 cops and take back 1 robber and the cop. Then take 2 cops and take the robber back. Then take 2 robbers and take a robber back. And then take the 2 robbers. And it is done. Level 9. 3 robbers have come to the left bank of a river. At the same time, 3 merchants have come to the right bank of the river. Each group wants to cross to the opposite side. Rules. There is a small raft on the left bank which can hold only 2 people. There can never be more robbers than merchants together on the same side. The merchant and robber wearing green clothes are the only ones who can row. How can they all cross the river? So first, take the green robber and then take a green merchant with another merchant. Then take a green merchant with a robber and take the green robber and the green merchant. Then take a green merchant with a robber and take the green merchant with another merchant and then take the green robber back. And it is done. Level 10. Every athlete and their individual coaches need to cross a river. Rules: no coach trusts his athlete to be with any other coach unless he is also with his athlete. Each athlete can either be alone or with other athletes, but not alone with a different coach. The raft can hold a maximum of 2 people and everyone can row. How can all 6 people get across the river? For this level, first take 2 athletes and take 1 athlete back. Then take the remaining athletes and take 1 athlete back. Then take the coaches of the athlete on the other side and take the pair of 1 athlete and the coach. Make sure that they are same and then cross the river. Then take the remaining 2 coaches and then take the athlete back. Then take 2 athletes and take 1 athlete back. Then take the remaining 2 athletes and it is done. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe it and also share it to your friends. Thank you.